This is the best way to prepare sweet potatoes. We start our recipe with sweet potatoes, 5 units. We'll wrap each one of them in a sheet of aluminum foil. Cover all sides neatly. Place them on a baking tray side by side. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Once they're done, remove the aluminum foil. Now cut them all in half, but be careful, the potatoes will be hot, so use a fork and knife. In a bowl, we'll add a cube of butter with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a spoonful of mustard, 2 tablespoons of honey, and chopped parsley to taste. Add lemon zest and also squeeze a lemon. Mix until well incorporated. Back to the potatoes, and with a fork, let's make these grooves. Once that's done, generously pour the sauce we prepared and add it to the potatoes. The best part is to mash the potato and mix it with the sauce. Mix well but gently so the potato doesn't lose its shape. Add a pinch of salt to each one. And to make it perfect, sprinkle chopped parsley and scallions on top of each. If you want to add cheese too, maybe some grated Parmesan, that would be great as well. And that's it, it's ready, serve and enjoy. Honestly, these stuffed sweet potatoes are totally worth it. They take 40 minutes to bake, but the rest is just whipping up this quick sauce and turning simple potatoes into a full meal. We hope you liked it, and if you did, leave your like, subscribe, share the video, and comment down below what you thought of today's tip. See you next time.